Discover. Humanity's hottest invention.
Once upon a time, when the world was very new and very cold, there was a family.
Cold.
This is Akka. He's the rock of the family, and right now, that rock is freezing.
Not cold.
Akka strong.
Every night, their biggest enemy wasn't a beast. It was the cold.
But tonight, the universe decided to warm things up a bit.
The tree didn't explode. It just started to glow.
Ooh, pretty. Kael, the Tine Explorer, wasn't scared. He thought it was beautiful.
Kael, no!
I got him. I got him. Whoa.
Okay, easy. Just a little. Y-E-E-O-W. W-O, that W-O.
It was hot. A searing new discovery.
Ooh, warm.
The fire was both terrifying and mesmerizing.
Yep.
Akka realized, this thing isn't just warm, it's a bodyguard.
Meanwhile, Ina, the practical one, worried the fire would go out.
They needed more food for the fire.
They had learned their first lesson in fire maintenance.
The darkness receded. For the first time, the night wasn't scary.
AKA felt like a king. And Kael felt sleepy. A burning branch fell to the ground. This was his chance. Aha!
Ina frantically pats out the fire on his hair, while Kael giggles. AKA.
Now, how to get it home. With his new power, Akka faced his enemies.
Ha! Go on, get out!
He looked proudly at his family, expecting adoration. Finally, they brought the treasure back to the cave. That night, the Akka family had the best sleep ever.
They were so warm that Kael kicked off the animal hide blanket. AKA, wake up!
Cough! Cough! Yes, that's it.
Uh-oh.
Whoa. Yum, yum. Yum, yum, yum.
What?
Ooh, my.
Oh.
No.
Try this. It's good. It's good.
good. Hee! What? What? Huh?
Okay, come. Oh, wow!
Yeah!
Whoosh, 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 boom! Ugh, too heavy. Watch out! Almost there. Whoa!
Take that! He's so dramatic.
No! No, N-O!
We make new fire.
Almost there. Cough. Ow! Yes, and Akka, with sticks.
Like this, children. You see the smoke. Keep rubbing.
Look, Ina's pot is done.
Wow, it actually worked!
My pot.
Uh-oh.
Blow, Kael, blow. Poof.
Thankfully, someone always knows what's truly important.
From our prehistoric family to yours.
Thanks for watching!